day, my friends and I continued our journey through Harbin to see some beautiful sights, and we started our day with quite an adventure. We were on our way to go see Siberian tigers. This one? I think she said 15, right? Do not fall is what it says.
Do not put your hand up the car.
We got on a bus that has a lot of cages around us. You can see them out this way.
We're going to prison.
Go get him, Tiger.
And we're gonna go see some Siberian tigers. You guys, that was so cool! That was so cool! Wow, I can't believe we just did that. 谢谢，拜拜。I feel like there should be Anastasia music. Camera inception. It's freezing out here right now, but I love it. It's snowing and it's beautiful. The temperature is 5 degrees Fahrenheit right now, but the real feel is -5, so it's very chilly. Oh my god! Central Street ended up being one of the highlight destinations of our trip and was so cool. The ambiance felt like we were being transported to a completely different area. This is the longest pedestrian street in Asia, measuring at 1,450 meters, and it's the only cobblestone street in all of Harbin. It had lots of variety of international influence and a ton of tasty treats that we got to try along the way. Okay.
Aim for the yellowy. That'll be the spice you kind of like. Is it?
Yeah, I like it.
Harbin food.
Yum! Cute. How is it?
Here, try the corner of mine. Let's compare.
Guys.
I think yours is better.
Yours
is sweeter. They're very similar though.
It's so snowy. This one. Is this a pig or a lion?
That looks like the same sign that we had on the door, but I don't know.
It's like a lion pig. Really snow? Wow.
Hot shirt.
I'm a little nervous for you, Boston. Impressive. This area is the second largest venue of the Harbin Snow and Ice Festival, and we were lucky enough to see the first largest venue at the beginning of our trip. There are snow sculptures here that range over 14 square miles, so we saw just a brief glimpse, but what we did see was absolutely beautiful.
谢谢。Oh, where can you not serve? Okay. 今天没好的一碗。
Bye.